Is artificial general intelligence, AGI, the dawn of a new era? Science fiction is becoming reality. Artificial general intelligence, AGI, once relegated to the pages of novels, is closer than ever. This breakthrough technology has the power to reshape our world, impacting everything from work to love. But are we prepared? This discussion will dive into the exciting world of AGI, exploring its potential arrival and the mind-blowing changes it will bring. Demystifying the path to AGI. Researchers are on a mission to crack the AGI code. One key approach is deep learning, where computers learn like humans, by analyzing massive amounts of data. Imagine AI that can translate languages flawlessly or recognize objects in an image. That's the power of deep learning. Another method is reinforcement learning. Think of it as training a super smart student through trial and error. By rewarding successful decisions and penalizing mistakes, AI models become masters at making optimal choices. Collaboration is also fueling the AGI fire. Researchers are sharing resources and code, accelerating progress globally. But with great power comes great responsibility. That's why ethical considerations are paramount. Researchers are prioritizing AI safety, ensuring AGI aligns with human values and minimizes potential risks. AGI arrives, a glimpse into the future. The arrival of AGI will be a watershed moment. Here's a peek at what awaits us. The job market transformed. While some jobs may become obsolete, AGI will also create new opportunities. The key will be adapting to the changing landscape. Healthcare revolution. Imagine AI doctors analyzing medical data to personalize treatments and save lives. AGI will revolutionize healthcare. Tech we can talk to, no more struggling with tech manuals. AGI will make interacting with technology a breeze, just like having a conversation with a friend. Conquering climate change, AGI's data crunching prowess will be instrumental in tackling climate challenges, paving the way for a greener future. Education evolved, learning will adapt to the AGI era, preparing students for a world brimming with intelligent machines. Smarter cities. Imagine efficient transportation networks and self-driving cars. That's the promise of smart cities powered by AGI. AGI could even unlock the door to artificial superintelligence, ASI. This next-level intelligence holds unimaginable potential, pushing the boundaries of science fiction. What do you think? Is AGI a friend or foe? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For more mind-blowing discussions, stay tuned.